You say you want me, I don't ignore you. You said it first, but I meant it more than oh yeah. You got potential, I can't explain. It's so persuasive, I made some changes. Where were you this whole time? Come and see me now, not another time. You should come and see me on the regular. I don't know if we'll find a better time. Where were you this whole time? Come and see me now, not another time. You should come and see me on the regular. I don't know if we'll find a better time. 'Cause I've been sleeping with a pistol in my bed. I'd rather have you instead.
Flight crew at Southwest Airlines, welcome to Montego Bay, Jamaica. Yay!
Guys, we made it to Jamaica. The ride just came. So we're about to head to the hotel. I'm gonna head with my bags.
You say you want me, I don't ignore you. You said it first, but I meant it more than yeah. You got potential, I can't explain. It's so persuasive, I made some changes. Where were you this whole time? Come and see me now, not another time. You should come and see me on the regular. I don't know if we'll find a better time. Where were you this whole time? Come and see me now, not another time. You should come and see me on the regular. I don't know if we'll find a better time. 'Cause I've been sleeping with a pistol in my bed. I'd rather have you instead. Gotta get out of my own head. Don't let me go. Don't let me go.
This is nice. Wait. So basically you come to the room and you use like this bracelet thingy. Open the door. I love that. That's so nice because you don't have to worry about forgetting a key, any of that. But I'm gonna take it off of my pictures because no, ew. But so this is what the room looks like when you first walk in. Hold on, it's a little bit. So this is what the room looks like when you first walk in. You have this little closet shelving area. Oh, they gave you an umbrella. That's really nice. I will be packing away my stuff just to have, like, just to be more organized. So this is just, I guess, like the mini bar area. Due to COVID, it no longer comes pre-stocked, but I just have to call them and they can bring it to the room. This is a little tea bar, just a bunch of tea, sugar, creamer, cups, all that jazz. And then we have one more closet space. It also has blow dryer, robes, and a safe to put away your valuables. So that's nice. And then to the left we have the bathroom. So this is the toilet area. They have it separate from the shower. That's me, hey. This is what it's looking like. Sorry guys, I kind of started to do stuff, and I'm just like, let me record. And then this is the bathroom. If I'm being honest, guys, the room is not giving all that, but we're just here to enjoy ourselves and forget about materialistic stuff. So yeah, and this is the room. Oh, before we get to the room, we have here like a full-size mirror, which I love because, you know, pictures. This is what the room is looking like. I believe this is the premium ocean view couples room, even though it's just me and Deandra. We are a couple. We're cousins, basically sisters. Yeah, I just wanted a little upgrade from the basic room that they had. So this is an overview of what the room looks like. And then we go out here to the balcony. It has table and chairs, and then this day bed. It's cute, it's cute. One thing I don't like though is that it is open, so if it's raining, you're gonna get wet. And then this is what the view looks like. It is an ocean view. Well, obviously, as you can see. And yeah, that's 7 Mile Beach. I'm excited to go chill by the beach. Guys, Deandra made it! Hey guys, so we just got ready for dinner. Excuse me. And I'll show you guys my full body outfit, but my scent I'm gonna wear is Jimmy Choo Fever. Yeah, it's a new one and I love it. Lady, I can see you looking at me. So I'm putting that on. I'm putting it all over because I want to smell good. Because it's what? T minus, what time is it? It's like probably almost 3 hours until my birthday. So yes! And I just put my hair in some twists so it can just curl a little bit until we get to the, what's it called? Dinner. No, yeah, dinner. So guys, so this is what our outfits are looking like. So my shirt is from Shein, skirt Shein, slippers Shein, bag Shein. Shein need to sponsor me. Didi, where's your outfit from?
Shein, bitch.
Yeah, period. Yeah, spin. Get him a spin. Get him a spin. Yes, guys, we're Liddy in the city.
Oh, yeah,
This is my guys. Guys, they don't only we need for the people them dinner. We need to go. Mama, no to bumble. Thank you so much. next day and it's officially my birthday. So we're about to go get breakfast. We got all dressed up. This is our breakfast fit. This is mine. Oh, this is mine. That's these over there, looking fine and in wine. Yeah. So we're gonna get breakfast, walk on the beach. Guys, if you ever see how the mosquito attack me, one thing, don't come to Jamaica without the bug spray, cause no, it look like I'm out chicken pox. But we're gonna go get breakfast and I have a massage at 12, so let's go to breakfast. Guys, we're here at breakfast. D, say hi. This is what we got for breakfast. I hope you can hear me. I got hash brown egg, a piece of French toast, bacon. We got some mimosas. That's what we got. And we got some fruit as well. And tea. We are about to cut this shit up. Because we are hungry. Guys, I'm hungry from 2 days ago. I can't bear this to myself. Guys, we're done with the breakfast. I hope you can hear me. Didi just eat our fruits. I'm forcing her to eat our veggies. But we're going to go back to the room and probably change and go to the beach and the pool, get some drinks, and yeah, turn up because it's my motherfucking birthday. Guys, we got ready and have our bath suits on. And we're just waiting to go get our massage. It just started raining, so we're waiting until the rain dies down a little before we start heading over there. And then hopefully by the time we're done with our massage, the rain is finished and we can go to the beach, to the pool, get drinks and have fun. So once we're getting the massage, I'll show you what the spa looks like. Massage was so good. Now we're outside at the beach. I'm just smoking, honestly. We're about to get drinks and then go get some lunch. It's a bit like overcast, but at least it stopped raining. So, you know, the beach and my spliff. Who's that? Daniel? Cheers! Cheers! The way I talk.
Oh, it's a video.
Hey! Cheers.
Guys, I'm drinking a pina colada.
An ocean?
No. You remember the video when we telling the meme with the man was saying, I'm drinking a pina colada.
A pina colada.
I'm drinking a pina colada, guys.
Insert clip here.
I drink it a pee and a color.
Hey, guys, the water feels so good. Yeah.
I like that. I think that's good. Say I'm
Hey.
an only part.
Me a dance cause music not there for long.
Oh shit. I feel like I was so much higher.
Guys, we just got ready. I'm going to have dinner now, but this is like a good extreme sport. Thank you. Oh my god. Oh my god. Didi, I'm trying to laugh, but we can't. Oh, and it's like, I like behind my thigh and.
Oh God, baby. Oh. You want me Peter?
Yeah, man. What's it?
Oh Lord.
Dinner is good?
Yes, it actually tastes good.
Thank you.
Is there any way we can just have the dessert to go?
Of course.
Yeah, because I can't deal with
Share
them.
scratch.
Come look how much the mosquito, look how the mosquito they bite me up. If you think a joke, like them literally are eating me alive. Morning! It's our last. Yeah, but I hear them in the background. Hi guys, it's our last day here. And after dinner last night, we had to end dinner early because I was being attacked by mosquitoes. And it just was not making dinner enjoyable. So we ended dinner early, came back to the room, and we were... Why is it zooming? We ended dinner early and came back to the room. We were both pretty out of it. So we just went to bed. Ordered room service, went to bed. We ordered breakfast this morning and ate it in the room because we're just over it. But now we might just go to the beach and get a drink or something before we have to actually leave. So yeah, do hope you guys enjoyed this video. And as always, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And see you next time.